Hello, and welcome to the NVT Phybridge Troubleshooting Tutorial Guide. My name is Nico, and today we will be looking at how to revert changes made on a management port that was previously converted to an uplink port. Let's say that a temporary measure was used to convert the management port to an uplink port instead of using the SFP ports of the switch. When the proper SFP modules are acquired, we can reconvert the management port back to its management function. This involves recreating the management VLAN, separating the management port back onto VLAN 1001. In order to do this, we will first connect to the command line interface and use the configure terminal command in order to access global configuration mode. We will then enter VLAN 1001, which will automatically create VLAN 1001. We can then exit and enter the command interface VLAN 1001 in order to directly access VLAN configurations. We will assign the default IP of the management port, which is 192.168.1.1, with a /24 subnet of 255.255.255.0. We can do this with the command IP address 192.168.1.1 space 255.255.255.0. After this, we can exit this interface and access the management port with the command interface gigabit ethernet 1/25, since the management port is the 25th port on the CLI. We will assign the port to VLAN 1001 with the command switchport access VLAN 1001. Using the end command will bring us back to privileged exec mode, where we can then save our configurations with the copy run start command. The management port will be reestablished and we will be isolated from any access outside of the management port. Thank you for watching the NVT Phybridge Troubleshooting Tutorial Guide. All configurations can be found within our admin guides, available on our website at nvtphybridge.com. We hope this has been helpful in managing your switch's configurations, and we hope you have a wonderful day.